What's going on, y'all? Long time no see. Long roof lifestyle here. Gonna be doing a little bit of work to the Volvo today. Nice and cool out. Sun's not really out, so fine by me. I'll show y'all what's going on with the Volvo. A little on the spooky side, but nothing crazy. Got the dogs outside. Lyra, Nyla, and the two up there on the right. Coming down the stairs is Ellie, and then you've got Amber over there. So that's the dogs. Now, let's see what we got going on with this Volvo here. So the Volvo's been down, if you really want to call it down. Sorry, I'm opening the gate with one hand. The Volvo's been down for about a week and a half to 2 weeks. Me and my daughter, crazy animals. Me and my daughter were at Walmart, said about 2 or so weeks ago, picking up a couple of things, and I come back out to the car, go to crank it, and my oil light came on. So, put my pocket back in. So, oops, sorry about that. So I started it up, and oil light came on. I'm just like, okay, so I shut it right back off. Got out and I checked my oil and everything, and everything looked fine. I cranked it back up, let it idle for just a second or two. Oil light's still on. I don't hear anything, no knocking or anything like that. I shut it back off anyway. So I get out with the hood up, of course. Get out and I look back down there, and there is a oil leak coming from, excuse me, coming from the come on now. There we go. There's an oil leak coming from the oil pressure switch. Now I'm actually looking at it. Let me swap it around here and turn on the light so you can see a little bit. Yeah, you can see it a little wet. Let me zoom in just a little bit. Yeah, you can see where has some moisture on it. Now it was a lot worse than that, especially while the engine was running, of course. But I got another one in the car, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to swap that out. And I got my keys with me. Hear them jingling and jangling. To see if that right there really is the problem. Now my car has been on a battery tender because the battery goes dead really easily in this thing. Oh, there goes Mama Cat. Mama Kitty, what are you doing, girl? Okay. Let's see what happens. Oh, you know what? I forgot to plug it back up. It sounds fine. I don't think there's an actual oil pressure issue. I think the issue itself is with the switch. Let's see if it's on now. Yep, sure is. Okay, so there's that. You can see it right there. Lights on. Oop, can't be doing all that. Daggone, get copyrighted. Slow wipers. So I'm thinking that is the problem. It leaks pretty bad, so we're going to yank the old one off of there and replace it with this new shiny one. I got this from AutoZone, from right up the road actually, and let me turn this off. I got it from AutoZone right up the road at the hub, and this isn't really that big of a deal, but I enjoy doing videos, and if this can help somebody, then by all means, you know, why not? It's super simple to do, ain't nothing to it, so why not, you know? And plus, if it stops that the oil light from being on, I'm all for it. All right, so let's go get the right size for this thing. My shop is a wreck. Oh, they're the kittens. They're the kittens. Sorry guys, I didn't mean to wake y'all up. I know. Anyway, yeah, we got kittens. Oh, there goes one. That's kind of living over there in the corner. Looks like they're starting to venture out now. And all of this is like a wreck from them because we had to clear it out over there. So my wheels were over here and yada yada. So anyway, once they get out of here, I'll clean all this back up and get it rightfully in order. Kind of move some of this around. There we go. Okay. Turn the light on, even though it doesn't really help. I would really like to get me some of those hexagon light things put in here. That would be pretty amazing. Now, let's take a look at this. So what we're looking for, and not going to be that easy to do with one hand, but well, here we go anyway. So got the thing right here, so let's see if we can find the right size. Too small. Yeah, that's it. So this right here is a 24, so a 1 inch even. That's what you need. And what I'm using is a 1/2 inch drive. So let's go see if we can get this one out. And this is, of course, the oil pressure sensor. So there's probably going to be a little bit of oil loss. But, oh no, my daggone coffee cup fell down. Oh no. Rest in peace. Not really. Get that here in just a second. Oops, wrong way. Sorry, guys. Okay. So, oh, that's pretty good right there, actually. You can see it plenty. Get my coffee. Oh yeah. So, undo this. And watch out for your exhaust manifold up here, because I just ran that thing and it's a little bit on the hot side. I wonder if I should get a breaker. Ow. No. That was easy. Just make sure you don't burn yourself on that thing. How much oil am I going to lose? A little bit. Not bad. It'll be okay just for now. More oozing now. But this right here is it. Wow. Yeah. Seen better days compared to this one. So you've got these two here. Old versus new. Everything looks good. Everything looks the same. Alright, put this one in before I lose all my oil. It jumped ship. Try it again. Alright. This thing didn't take much torque. Alright. She's on. If this doesn't fix it, then something else is wrong. Alright, let's take this off. Set it over here. Like so. For right now. The battery in this thing is not very good. At all. So I have to keep it on a tender to keep it from going dead on me. All right. Now, just for craps and giggles, we can do this too. Get my magnet out the way. I don't want to run it over. Hey y'all! Your little baby one's still sitting over there by the bike. There we go. Set that right there. Let me get this. My Instacam becoming really handy for this. I'm not gonna lie. I know I'm crooked, but just for the sake of it, look at the oil. Really quick. That looks okay. Could use a little bit, I guess. Alright, so let's add a little bit to it, shall we? Run with that. Let's see what she does. No light. We'll take it down the road real quick and see what's going on. Make sure it ain't gonna do anything crazy. Y'all will be crooked, I'm sorry, but that's all I've got for now, because I don't have any other way to be able to hold it. I need to go get gas, but I'll do that later. Close the hood. This whole thing. It's a lot of fun. Hey now. Alright. Good so far. Good so far. Good. No light. Successful fix, y'all. Successful. I like it. Good to go. Yeah, I can't drive. Yep, there we go. No light. Everything's good. It's warming up. My gas gauge has always been janky. Puppy. Down just a little bit. Easiest fixes of my life, I swear. That is for sure. Back this thing on up. It's hard to say if there's any leak at the moment. I mean, I'll take a look, but let's see here. Let's see what we got going on. Because honestly, it probably is leaking. Yeah. I'll give it a couple of days, see what it does, then we'll go from there. It's a happy engine. Good old B230, tough to kill. So that's going to be it for this one, guys. Something quick, something short, something fun. Maybe somebody could take some help off of it. I don't know. I mean, it's pretty straightforward, pretty obvious. But if somebody is just like, hey, what's going on here? Why is my light coming on? Maybe that's the reason why. Hopefully that's the reason, and you don't need a new engine. But I still don't have anything else going on with any of the cars. I'm still waiting on the junkyard to get in some stuff for the Subaru. Once they get an SF in, I'm going to go pull a couple of things off of it. The power steering pump is now leaking, so that needs to be addressed. I still need to do the roof rails as of this video as well. So there's quite a bit to do on that. It's showing its age quite a bit, and I need to get on top of that before it leaves me stranded somewhere. The white car, I mean, the white car's the white car. It doesn't stop. It's been an excellent vehicle. So, you know, there's that. But anyway, thank y'all for watching. I know I got a couple of new subscribers, so I wanted to, dang it, sorry y'all. I wanted to kind of come together and do a quick video. I'm still here, I'm still around. It's just, you know, my cars don't really give me a whole lot of crap, and I've thought about doing a couple other things, like maybe some vlog style stuff for Cars and Coffee that happens on the second Saturday of every month around here. But I don't know, is that something y'all would like to see? Drop something in the comments or something like that. Let me know. You know, I'm not trying to get YouTube famous or anything like that, but you know, if I could do something that resonates with more people other than just, you know, fix them up videos and whatnot, then that would be cool, you know. So I'll end it here. I will catch y'all on the next one. Lone Roof Lifestyle out. Thank y'all for watching.